बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम ईसीपी जूनियर असिस्टेंट पेपर हेल्ड डाउन जो 20/7/2025 को हुआ था इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। अ कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू और मोर पीपल इज कॉल्ड डायलॉग। व्हिच बर्ड इज अ यूनिवर्सल सिंबल ऑफ पीस? डव। Sahasita are dash books of hadith. 6. HCF of 30, 24 and 18 is 6. The headquarters of Google located in the city California. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Durand line is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The largest island of the world is Greenland. Pakistan purchased Gwadar from Muscat, Oman in which year? 1958. How many seats are reserved for women in the National Assembly of Pakistan? 60. Which section of the Election Act 2017 deals with party lists for reserved seats? Section 104. Qabil and Habil were the sons of which prophet? Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. The Wailing Wall is situated in Jerusalem. The cost of 12 books is 264. The cost of 9 books will be 198. 3 has the same ratio to 15x as 5x has to 25x. When is Independence Day of America celebrated? 4 July. Complete the series 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 -17. 13. In which language Shah Waliullah translated the Holy Quran? Persian. Strange, familiar. Sick, healthy. If the interest on an amount of 5,000 is 1500 in 3 years, what is the rate of interest? 10%. Average of 15, 14, 13, 12 and 6 is 12. 23 meter is equal to 96, then meter is equal 3. Solve this. 0.001 multiply 0.01. 0.0001. When which section of the Election Act pertains to the allotment of symbols to political parties? Article 217. What is the highest common factor HCF of 20 and 30? 10. Which of the following are the two main components of CPU? Control unit and ALU. Election expense for Senate seats is 1.5 million. Election to reserved seats in Parliament is responsible of none of these. As the crow is so the dash shall be. Eggs. Error detection. I met a friend of yours at the university yesterday. Your. The antonym of foresight is improvidence. Slideshow in Microsoft PowerPoint is launched by F5. Fiber optics is cabling. The shortcut key to close the currently open document in Microsoft Word is Control plus W. Which connection type is commonly used for an internet cable? Ethernet. The world's largest glacier is Lambert. Which country has banned BBC News from broadcasting in its nation? China. Kerry Longer Bill was passed for the period 2010 to 2014. The Umayyad rule in Spain latest for dash years. 275. Identify the adjective the team has had enough practice. Enough. Error detection. This movie is more interesting than the one we saw yesterday. Then. The train had left when reached the station. Which word is incorrect? Reach. Pakistan Olympic gold medalist in 2024. Arshad Nadeem. If the price of 15 books is 239, what will be the price of 9 books? 143.37. Who conducts the elections for local bodies, Panchayat and in India? State Election Commission. Rearrange the words to make complete the sentence. Had the already left train station the train had already left the station. Synonyms of banned, prohibited. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.